Going to share some important words like we will discuss today. Okay, so are you ready for discussion and are you ready for participation? This kind of sentence, how we use new words in your mobile screen. Are you ready? So we will discuss just the right direction. If I have just the right direction, I will be a doctor. If someone give us just the right direction, I will be a lawyer. If someone are little efforts, that means if someone doing working hard and he cannot achieve our goal, he did not achieve our goal, so that time we can say that are little efforts. That means if you are little efforts add in working hard, you will be pass and you will be achieve your goal. Are you getting? And not every day special. Not every day special is a common sentence. And next, hold patience. If someone very aggressive, so you that time you can say that please hold patience. If someone aggression show front of you, so you can say that hold patience, be calm. Are you getting? And then understood yourself. That understood, that means if someone faced some challenges, some problems, so that time you can say that understand yourself. That's mean if you understood yourself, you can do anything, you can do all thing, you can do everything, you can achieve your goal, you can do everything. Are you getting? Everything, that means in positive thing, like you want to be a pilot, you want to be a commander, you want to be a doctor, you want to be anything. Do you want what what do you want? Are you getting? And then keep moving forward. That's mean if if any people has face challenge and problem, that time you can say that keep moving forward. If you are keep moving forward like that, you can do well and you achieve your goal as well. And then fulfill dream. That means if you are working hard, you fulfill your dream easily. If I am working hard, so I fulfill my dream easily. And then be with others. Be with others, that means you should have positive others, you should have help others. And then last one is there should be peace of mind. Peace of mind, that means a person who has some of problem, but he has a peace of mind. That means if for example, if someone in if any person in a war, but if a person who has a peace of mind, then that person fight very well to other. That means that person fight our enemy, but condition is that he has he has only peace of mind. So peace of mind is a very very important things for us and other peoples. If we have a mind of peace, you can do everything. That means if you if you face any challenges and any kind of problem, but you should have peace of mind in your mind. If you have peace of mind, you can do anything in your world, in your life, in practical life as well. So today we have more words. So today we have learned it, this kind of word. We will learn again and again and multiple times. So take care, bye bye, God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Take care, bye bye.